Pacific blue waters of Tailevu. I let the sun set on the best thing I ever knew. One more time for the girl who never left my mind. Listen, I remember the way you wore that Senibua flower. Nanamuni ambe ambe kay nanamuni vakarao. Nanamuni dumata dredra marama vinaka. The way you held me Marama Naita in the midnight hour. Daughter of the ocean, skin like the island sand. I had the world's greatest treasure resting in my hand, but I was blind, yeah, I was caught in the chase. Didn't see the heaven that reflected in your face. I took your patience for granted. I let your fire go cold, trading away a diamond for a handful of fool's gold. And now the silence is loud in this empty room. Sombole naita, nakimuni boy walenga. Still haunted by that heavenly scent of that just Senibua perfume. It's a weight in my chest, a debt I can't pay, knowing I'm the reason that you walked away. My one and only Marama Naita, because you occupy every ounce of my soul, the half of my heart that used to make me whole. Nakavina kakete ena Noqu Naita, it started with you, the purest rhythm that I ever knew. I let you go, but the destiny stayed. Now I'm waking up to the mistake I made. No one better, no one even comes close. You're the one I need the most. Noqu Marama Naita. They say the tide always finds its way back to the shore, and I'm standing here praying for just one opening door. Kimani stress tu vakatava na Noqu na norei muni la naita. Oh malumu vakadua na novuni bula. Say muni dua duanga. I heard the news, girl, I know that you're free. Is there a ghost of a chance you look back at me? I've learned the hard way what it means to be less, to live in the shadow of a no instead of a yes. I fixed the compass, I've steadied the wheel. I'm ready to prove that the change is real. It's something I can't explain. Waile Marama Naita, how the stars aligned to bring us both back to this space and time. I didn't appreciate the queen on a throne. Now I'm a king wandering all alone, but I wait for the trade winds to blow you my way. I have a lifetime of thank yous and sorries to say. Oh na masu na veisinga ke vaka esale wanika lo me daru na veilesuvi tale mada vaka dua waile naita. Because you occupy every ounce of my soul, the half of my heart that used to make me whole. Nakavina kakete ena Noqu Naita, it started with you, the purest rhythm that I ever knew. I let you go, but the destiny stayed. Now I'm waking up to the mistake I made. No one better,